Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you have been watching my videos, you can see that I have made a form in which you can submit suggestions regarding my videos. In this video, I will be telling you all how to make a similar form or even a quiz using Google Docs. The link to visit the Google Forms homepage will be there in the description and also flashing on the screen. The Google form which I am making will be there in the description and available on the screen as well. Also, if you are watching my videos and like them, then don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. I'm Divyansh and you're watching DJ's Creativity. Let's get started. So friends, here I am on the Google Forms homepage where we can make a new form or quiz, or we can view the forms already made. So first, we will be making a new form where we can fill in the questions and other details. First of all, to make a new form you can either choose a blank form where there will be no presets, or else you can make a form using some of the presets available. We will be clicking on blank page and then you will see the new form. I will first be explaining all the buttons available. Starting from the top left, there is a button for going to the Google Forms homepage. Then you will see the name of the form which it will appear in your Google Drive. You can change the location of the form by clicking on the folder button and then navigating to the required area. Then you can customize the form a bit using the paint palette icon. Now you can preview the form you have made using the eye icon or the preview button. Now by clicking on the settings button, you can change the setting like collect emails, and from here only you can make the form a quiz by going to the quizzes tab and then taking the option of make this a quiz. From here you can edit the internals of the working of the form. After that, you can share the form by clicking on the send button using your preferred option. Below these options, you will see two tabs, questions and responses. In responses, you can see the submissions. Now, when we come to the actual form, you will see the title of the form, which is set as untitled form. We can change it to put your own title. I am putting it as Trial Google Form. Below that, you can add the description of the form. Then we can add the questions. By default, there is one question added where you can put your desired question. I am putting, do you watch my videos and like them? Now, if you want, you can put the question as an image and then choose the type of answers you want, like MCQs or short answer, checkbox, linear scale, date, time, etc. Then, on the basis of that, if you need to add the options, you can put them. And to add a new option, click on Add Option. Then, when you select a specific question, you will see some options below it, namely duplicate, delete, And then if you want to make the question compulsory, then you can also add some other options by clicking on the three dots. On the right hand side of the question, you will see 6 more options which are add a question, import questions, add title and description, add image, add video, and add a section. You can do various things by these buttons. To add a new question, click on the plus icon. To import questions from another form which you have made, click on the import button. To add a title for the question, you can click on add title. Next to the question, you can click on add image. To add a video or a section, click on add video or add a section button respectively. You can add as many questions and sections as you want. I'm adding some questions as you can see in the time lapse. Now, as you all can see, I have added 7 questions to my form. Now, to send the form, click on the send button and then you can copy the link to this form. You can shorten the URL by clicking on shorten URL button. To send it, just copy the link and paste it to your preferred location. Now, when someone fills this form, you will see submissions in the responses tab. Now, as you can see, someone has filled this form. So now, we can see the responses from the responses tab. So guys, this is how you can make a simple form for free using Google Forms and then send it to someone to fill it out. I told you all the basics on how to make it. By trying it out, you can easily understand it and then make forms easily and know the advanced features available there. So friends, that's all for today. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post a new video and never miss them. Also, don't forget to check out my website by clicking on the link in the description and the link on the screen. Hope you all liked the video. Meet you in my next one. Thanks for watching.